I'm at Epcot waiting for the fireworks to start. I'm going to show you the best spot if you want to avoid crowds and still have a great view of the fireworks. It's in the Japan pavilion. There's so much space. Sitting on a bench. I'm saving it for my daughter and my fiance who are currently running around the pavilion. I just think the best part is that I'm able to sit down and not have somebody right next to me. We love space at Disney. And this is what the fireworks look like. Welcome! I think that speaks for itself. It's literally my favorite spot. The music they play after is so good too. And now the park is closed, so we're gonna get ready and go.